In the energy quadrant, taking a look at the October crude oil futures contract, very weak session today. We only had about 1/4% jump above Friday's settlement on the high today, 69.48. Looked good, but then we turned around and moved substantially lower, down to 67.64, down 2.38%. We ended up settling about a little bit more than 0.5% better than that, back up above $68, but the second consecutive down session we've had after hitting 1 month highs on Thursday. That high of 70.61 that we got on Thursday was the highest level since August 4th when we hit 70.81. Crude oil's been up in price the last 2 weeks now, although last week's rally very small, only 55 cents higher in terms of price versus the previous week's close. Demand worries were part of what accelerated the selling earlier in the day. Data showed that there was very strong demand out of China. China actually imported 8% more crude oil in August than they did in July, but Saudi Arabia cut prices to the Asian market nonetheless. Saudi Arabia dropped October delivery prices to the world's largest oil market, which is Asia, and that caused some people to speculate that Saudi Arabia at least is worried that Chinese demand is not as strong as the most recent data shows that it at least was. Now, other people are just saying they're just trying to preserve market share through what might be a weaker period, but that led to some selling that put us down under that 1.5% lower level that we saw today, that settlement of $68 and change. Now, we also had the strong dollar, which we all know is a headwind to commodities in general. We had longer dated U.S. interest rates rise, which strengthened the dollar. And as it is with most commodities, the dollar can be a headwind to commodities. It worked that way for oil today. Oil down near that $68 a barrel level on the close today.